Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are in Red House Common. We are going to take a walk around and see what we can find. It's very muddy. Ooh, nice. Someone's left their glove behind. I can see some ponies. Wow, look over there, look. Wow. We won't disturb them. We'll stay over here.
Why? We're actually coming over.
Oh, they're following us, look.
Oh. We're trying to get away from them though.
Wow. Loads of them. Didn't think we were going to see these today. Cool.
Oh, that really scared me. And there's a black one just... They're all going.
Wow.
They're all going down there. Because the other two were waiting until they're getting here. Is there any more? No.
Oh, cool.
I think they're doing a race or something.
What a lovely place to be walking around. Wonder what else we can see.
Yeah.
Obviously it's a bit dull out here today, obviously with the weather. But it's about 2 degrees. And it's very nice. I believe there's a windmill around here somewhere, so hopefully we can go and try and find it. I can see a horse over there in the distance. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, didn't think we were going to see them today, did we? They look nice. Alright, let's go this way. See what we can see over here. Loads of heathland. Also, loads of cow muck. Not very nice to walk on. This place is really lovely in the summer when it's all in bloom. As I said, we're at Red House Common, which is North Chailey, Lewis. Great for walking the dogs, your children, picnic, all sorts of stuff. Highly recommend coming here in the summer, having a walk around and explore. Make sure when you come here that you wear suitable footwear, as it's a bit wet and horrible. Looks like we've come to a bit of a dead end. We haven't found a windmill yet. I'm sure we will. Let's have a look, see somewhere else. Right, let's go and try this way. See if we can find the windmill. We can see more horses and a little stream. It looks like it runs all the way through. So we just had to try and navigate our way through that. Very nice. Well, we made it. So looking really good, but we still haven't found the windmill yet, but we're working our way there. So we're going to walk up this way and see what we can find. So there are a couple of benches here that you can sit down, maybe take in the view, which is very nice. Obviously it would be better in the summer months. So I thought I'd just have a little seat for a couple of minutes and take in the view. Very nice out here. Bit cold, 2 degrees, but very nice. So they were Exmoor ponies that graze here and obviously do not feed. There it is. It stands there, look at that. Next to a lovely building as well. Very nice. And the windmill's been there since the early 1600s. It's just beautiful out here. Very nice. Here we are. We found the windmill. What a lovely building. I wonder how long this has been here for. Beautiful.
She's gonna say, oh no.
I don't know if you can hear that. All the birds tweeting away. Bird nest up there. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.